Don't eat Tide Pods. Wait, I might be. Hey guys, my roommate Zoe. I had like a whole day just like with my friends from AOPI, and we like went out to coffee in the morning, did homework and all of that. I mean, we didn't really do homework, let's face it. We're pretty much just talking the whole time. But now I have some people coming over to my dorm. Hopefully that will be really fun. We're not going out to any frats tonight just because we don't really feel like it. Update, so tomorrow I need to study pretty much all day because this week is going to be like my whole finals week, just because I don't have finals. Like, I only have one during finals week. Anyways, I will show you guys a little bit of tonight, potentially, with me and my friends. All right, we're getting ready here.
Hey,
Our rooms are connected, if you didn't know. So she's just in all the time. I'm wearing this cheetah shirt. I'm excited. You guys are getting like a full experience of my dorm before even getting a dorm tour. Okay, so Paige wants to see, have you ever like wanted to squeeze a Tide Pod? Yeah. Oh my god, it's not working. How does this work?
Warm water or something?
Warm water breaks it? Bite it.
I can't.
I definitely have it in my mouth a little. Oops. So, after that whole Tide Pod incident, I'm gonna put some of that in, I think. Me and Paige are gonna go do our laundry and actually use our Tide Pods for the correct reason. Let's go do our laundry. See, Paige thinks she's my mom, but she's wrong. I'm her mom.
Shut up.
It's true, it's true. All right, guys, we're going down to do our laundry. They're all open. We got so lucky. Take a look at how the pros do their laundry. Don't eat Tide Pods. Wait, all right, we'll be back in 30.
We're about to go to Panera and we're about to go to Marshall's. I threw up on the floor.
We're at Panera. If you know me, I'm addicted to mac and cheese at Panera, and I like love it so much and I crave it, so we come here a lot. I just got back from working out. And Paige, you want to explain your outfit?
These red ears, thanks to Sammy, kind of look like earmuffs, I guess. Red tube top, black jeans, and black booties. Probably curl the hair.
The theme for tonight is snow globe, so we're kind of just like figuring that out. I have these super cute ears that I'm wearing that I actually bought like for a previous date party for my sorority. So we're gonna wear these ears, and I have these really fun rave glasses that I'm gonna wear too. We love the weekends, definitely. Just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit more of what I do in college just because some of you guys were asking, so I figured I would do this vlog.
This is a real weekend in our life.
Okay, so I am just getting ready. I have this cute silver like crop top that I wore with my alien costume on a Halloween weekend. This black skirt from Forever 21, black booties, these little ears, and then I have these really cool rave glasses. This is what I see, and that is why they're so fun. It's really early, we're just wearing the sweatshirt shorts. We love it so much. Come to Cal Poly, it's great. All right, we're at Canyon Cafe. Okay, definitely come to Canyon Cafe. This looks so good. All right, good morning, guys. Paige and I just went to get breakfast in Poly Canyon Village, and we got groceries from the little store out there. So we got Cal Poly chocolate milk, so good. Popcorn, paper towels, much needed. I got dryer sheets, Easy Mac for finals week. Don't know what I'm gonna do today. I think I'm gonna go through like my drawers in my closet. Hey Paige. And kind of like take home the stuff I don't need anymore. I don't have that much going on though, so it'll hopefully be a good restful day. Maybe I'll go to the pool. You wanna go to the pool? No. We're now going to the gym, so I'm gonna head over there with my friend Emily and just do a little bit of cardio and legs. Look how beautiful our dorm is. All right guys, we are getting ready to go to the Madonna Inn for some dessert with some of the girls in our sorority. And then we're gonna go out tonight because it's like our last night to go out. It's Founders Day for Alpha Omicron Pi, so we have to represent that. All right, we are ready to go. Let's check out the outfit. Hi guys. She looks so cute. I'm literally just wearing all black. All right, we're heading to Madonna Inn. The new dorms we all wish we were in. It's so cute in here. Okay guys, we are getting ready to go out. They're actually having a girls' night.
We're having a girls' night.
This is Courtney, and this is Shay, and this is Emily.
Hello.
So Emily, it looks so cute. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And I'm wearing this outfit. I'm gonna change my necklace to be stars to match my stars. And then the back's my favorite. And that's the look for tonight. That is so good. That's so good.
Wait, Ashley.
He's carrying me. Ah!
Hey guys, today is Sunday and it's actually about 5:45. Paige and I laid in bed all day and just watched Netflix and hung out. We woke up close to like 11:45, I feel like, this morning, because we didn't go to bed until close to 4 a.m. So that's not usual. I'm just gonna be honest, that is not usual for us, but we were just having some friends in our dorm last night. So today we were just trying to catch up on our sleep, and we got breakfast and lunch during the same meal. So that was perfect. And we're gonna go to Starbucks right now. I'm gonna go pop in some of my laundry from this weekend. All right, I am in here going to do my laundry. Apparently someone decided to throw up inside of the laundry machines last night, which is, you know, very wonderful. So hopefully I don't see any vomit on my clothing. Yeah, we will hope for the best. I think I found the laundry machine someone threw up in, because there's throw up on the floor. So we're gonna not use that one. Our sorority house got paintballed tonight. Yeah.
I think it was a fraternity. I feel like
yeah, but I honestly want to come for it. Hey guys, so I'm gonna come just back on the vlog. Me and Angelique had a super productive morning. We went and studied at 8 a.m. at the coffee shop in our town. We went to TJ Maxx right after. I got some Christmas gifts for friends and family. Then we went to our campus market, got tons of food. I got some stuff for my roommates because they're doing finals and stuff right now, so I wanted to get them stuff. We got some Einstein's bagels for Angelique, Yerb, some pasta. I got my roommate chocolate. I'm gonna wrap all this stuff up for them. My roommate's favorite chocolate milk. My roommate's favorite. Paige! Close your eyes. Alright, open them. Today I had a fun time and I decided to get Paige a little study food options because she's such a good student and I admire it. I thought she would laugh. I thought she would love it.
I hate you so much. I wonder what this
I wonder.
Hello. How are you?
Doing well. What is
It's just a little
happening
thing to get you through finals.
Why is there? What? That's so cute.
Do you like the mistletoe?
Only I had a boyfriend.
Thank you so much for watching this Weekend of My Life video.
Thanks for watching, guys. She's taking it away. I love it. I love it. And I look
We love her.
very rough. This whole video, I've looked so rough. I mean,
You know, sometimes it'd be
Falling
like
apart.
that. It'd be
Yeah.
like that. So good luck to everyone on their finals. And the next time, maybe she'll do a finals week in my life.
I don't have any finals except for Thursday.
Never mind. Come back and tune in for some more awesome content. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.